Click on the image. At the top, go to Edit. Scroll down until you see Filters. Click on See All. And then scroll all the way down until you see Duotone. So you can pick any of these options here. You can adjust the highlights, the shadows, the intensity. If you want to create your own custom duotone, you can also come over here and do the same thing. Adjust the highlights, adjust the shadows, and the intensity levels. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.